Hey guys, Shane Snoots from the Maryland and Delaware group here. Just wanted to give some really exciting news. We are really excited to announce this. So excited that we couldn't even wait until we got the plaque made here for our wall. Welcome to the family. We would like to shout out Value Carpet One. They are going to be our official flooring flooring partner for any of our renovations, our turns, our flips, our new home construction. We are so excited to have them on as a partner. They have a very reputable company, and sitting down with these guys, they're a great group of guys. Just learning their history and their lineage of their company. They've been through four recessions and continued to grow. This is a amazing partnership, and we're looking forward to it. So just be on the lookout and go visit anytime you can. Those guys are awesome to deal with.